outside going, they're looking at me like I'm stupid. Might be a little bit old, but I'm gonna make slime today. So, glitter, food coloring.
Don't show me, I don't have clothes on.
Color. Oh my gosh, you just don't have a shirt on. Suck it up. Mixing bowl and then a mixing spoon.
Hey, stop copying my old YouTube channel.
Somebody made that a YouTube channel?
Yeah, 3 videos. I had 25. And that one, I had really because of that freaking
Can't
strike.
forget this. Well,
Hey,
should we do?
if the creators of YouTube are watching this, I don't like you. Okay?
Why?
Because they made me get freaking live stream banned on my old freaking YouTube channel.
Stop. You're gonna make me get kicked out of YouTube. Yeah, that's how it works. You talk to them like that, they'll kick me out of YouTube. Oh no, it's ripped. Comment down below if you want me to see this, want me to do this again. I'm gonna make a white glue. Oh my gosh, something leaked. What the heck is it? Something leaked. So gross. Okay. I'm gonna make cloud slime today. I've already made one of these. It's like a little kit that my aunt sent me to make it. Here's our little bowl. Might not be able to see it. So, create inventor slime. Half bottle of white glue. Okay. Oh. What? How much is in there?
Yeah, text me a code.
Who? Huh? Huh?
Nothing. Totally not logging in on my old YouTube channel. I'm changing the name to Remember.
Your old YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Why?
Come on, send me that motherfucking code. No, I have to text my phone and ask her what the code is.
Now. Will you go fill this up with 15 milliliters of water for me?
Sure.
There you go. So he's going to fill it up with 15 milliliters of water. 'Cause that's what a recipe says. It's a little thing. It's a little bit wet because something leaked, but it's fine.
I'm not throwing it at you.
You better not.
My grandma didn't take it, but yeah, I'm
Oh.
that. Oh, nope.
I got a blue little mixing spoon.
Resend the code. Yeah, that's just fine.
Oh, she's sending you. Did that thing where it sends her the code?
Yeah.
Why don't you just change the phone number to your phone number?
Because it's not, I have to, because I signed it on her email and her phone number. Because her email signature with her phone number. So.
There. Okay. We've mixed it. Comment down below what glitter you want me to use, but it's probably not gonna be. So I'm gonna make. If I can get this thing, I'm gonna make. Is that blue or purple? I'm color.
That's blue.
Blue. This is blue.
Blue.
Oh no.
That's
I'm colorblind, so I
that's
asked
the
him.
same too.
And then I'm gonna add a little bit of. Is there any? I'm gonna make glow in the dark, fluffy slime. Dylan, will you come do me a favor? Will you open this for me? My hands have glue and stuff on them. You open this. I'm making glow in the dark fluffy slime.
Ooh. I can't get that open. Something's leaked on it or something. I'm supposed to like pull it up or oh, never mind.
You got it? Okay.
Check out my YouTube channel, by the way. Probably right. I'm joking.
Actually, by the way, this is Dylan, mine Dylan Test channel. By the way, he can't say mine's worse because his YouTube channel is me and him, so.
I'm talking about my old one. Yes, I got my old YouTube channel back.
I thought you were saying you changed it though.
Look, I got my old YouTube channel back. Look.
Are you gonna change it back? Are you gonna change it to gaming bros?
Oh my god, I forgot.
What?
Now I have to, okay, so I'm signed in as Gaming Bros on my PS4. Now I have to go on there and figure out, have to try to remember the password.
So you're gonna start recording on that YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to have more subscribers and stuff.
Oh, that's why, because that's more subscribers?
See,
Are you gonna change it to the gaming bros?
I might. I'll think about it.
You
Or I can use both of them.
If you remember the password still.
Dang.
What?
Wait, what's my most viewed video on this account? I think it's like 64. I don't remember. Did my videos get deleted? You're kidding me.
Your videos got deleted?
I think they did.
On what channel?
My heart.
You still have more subscribers?
We're deleting my old videos. That's freaking pissing me off.
I'm adding clay into it right now. By the way, guys, making really fluffy glow in the dark slime. So, Dylan, you wanna come knead this with your hands? Please? I don't wanna do it. Will you please do it?
I'm facing a situation right now. 4,594 notifications from YouTube. You can tell I haven't been on this account in a while. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I didn't use the detergent. I'm so freaking stupid.
Okay.
15 milliliters.
My grandma was mad at me because I changed the password in her email. No. She's pissed.
How do you know?
Because she sent a mad emoji and said, why did you change my password?
What would you change it to?
Dill Harte. Oh my god, these are the songs I used to listen to a long time ago. Oh, no way. I forgot all these things were actually a thing.
Oh, food
Sorry.
coloring. Got it?
Samuel, I found it. Gotta play it. I'm sorry if you don't like it.
Stop! I don't want to
I'm gonna play it with you, not in the freaking video.
I don't want to get demonetized. So, I will.
I said you're not going to.
Well, this is looking really cool, isn't it? You know you're gonna play with this after it. Huh? What is that? Oh my gosh. He's playing Barbie girl. You can hear that.
classroom where the dog talks. He says something like, remember that?
Miss Keisha, what? No.
Say no. This thing is freaking hilarious.
I haven't seen that video in a long time.
I'm such a retard. Put some cheese on it. Dude, this freaking account has freaking sunflower. Dora theme song. Is that when we woke Brad up that one time? Was it dreams?
No, I made it. Will you get me a towel? Real fast. Run.
Which one?
Run. Like, I don't care, Dawn. Run. Give me a big one.
Oh, what?
A big one.
Paper towels, okay.
Yeah. Come on. You slow.
I'm not stopped, I'm just jacking with you.
Bro.
I'm gonna get you copyright shorty.
No. No.
CJ! Prodigy? I don't know if CJ did you
You didn't know that?
for a freaking YouTube
Check it. Go check out Gaming Bros. What was it?
456.
456 and
Doing the game with you.
Dylan the Gamer 13 and Bobcat 1313.
3 months ago.
Good YouTube channel.
He did Rocket League 6 days ago?
Turn off my laptop on there. You want my phone on there? Telephone? We plug it on these plugs, man. You see the telephone?
Yours? I haven't seen yours.
I found it. Is this it?
Yeah, that's it. Brandon, have you found it?
I just want to get in this video just to say hi. I'm gonna get in the video and say hi.
Sorry, I had to go wash some stuff.
Hi.
Are you gonna throw that away?
Oh. Smells like foam.
It's being weird, Dylan. Oh my gosh, man.
What?
What did you do?
Nothing. Nothing happened.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You broke something?
Totally.
You didn't break anything.
Yeah, I did. Guess what I broke?
What? What? I said throw this away too.
I'm gonna turn the music on. Hi guys, how you doing today?
And guys, see you in the next episode. And comment down below if you want me to make more slime videos.
Stay tuned on Doing the Gamer 13. We're doing
No, don't. He's a bad YouTuber. Trust me.
You're gonna be in the videos too, so you better shut your mouth.
You said Dylan the Gamer was just you.
I'm changing it to gaming mode back because I don't want to log into the other account.
Okay, whatever. Go check out the channel. I'm just giving him a hard time. Go check out that channel. Maybe some other episodes coming up. You'll get to see testing my videos, which it's supposed to be. And we will see you in the next video. Peace.